Hey, Vlad here again, and in this video I'm going to show you the instructions on how to do the cat-cow mobility exercise. So we're going to start off on our hands and knees in tabletop position like this. Elbows are going to be straight the whole time. From here, what I'm going to first do is lift the center of my back, and I'm going to bring my chin to my chest like this, so that my back is flexed and my neck is flexed. That's the cat position. From there, I'm going to go into the cow position, which is the opposite. So I'm going to drop the center of my back, and I'm going to lift my head up. From here, we have neck in extension, back in extension. And I'm going to alternate. Flexion, extension. Elbows are straight the whole time. Pretend that there's a string in the middle of your back and someone is lifting that string.